Hello my dear students, how are you all? Welcome to day 48 of our series 99% in 99 days for CBSE Mathematics. I hope all of you are doing good. I am Ankit Sir on our platform Diksha Vedantu Foundation YouTube channel, coming every day to help you out in the revision for your boards, right? So we're going to do what, bacha? Today we're going to do the revision of your A related to circle, basically the entire mensuration, right? And VSA. Okay, so we'll complete the revision. We'll solve few questions on it. Why that question, bacha? Because after learning the concepts, now let's learn how to bridge the concepts to the application of the formulas, to the application of the concepts to problem solving. Okay, so we'll do all of that. Let's have a look. Okay, coming up first for you, what is it, sir? First thing is the first chapter, area related to circles. Okay, so if you remember this, over here we start the first thing with bacha. What is it, sir? Circles, sir. Circles. In this we have couple of formulas. If you remember, it looks like this. A circle is a 2D shape. Okay, it has both area and the perimeter, the circumference. Okay, and how do you define it? So the locus of the point, which is always at a fixed distance from the fixed point. The fixed point is called as the origin, the center, forgive me, and this is called as the circumference, right? The boundary is called as circumference, right? And this is called as the radius r. Okay, so for circle we have area as simply, all of you know this formula, pi r square, and the circumference as simple bacha as 2 pi r, right? What is circumference, sir? The length of the boundary. The length of the boundary is called as circumference. Sometimes we also call this as perimeter, but in the case of circle we usually refer the word circumference. I hope this is clear. Chaliye, so once this is known, we also have a case where we are dealing with concentric circles. And what is that called? It's called as rings. It's called as circular rings. So what is the meaning of this? Means we have the same center with two different radii for the given circles. One, let's call this to be capital R, this called to be small r. Again, we have couple of things. First thing is called as this. What is that, bacha? It's called as the width. Let's call this to be width to be t. Then t is given as, the width t is given as capital R minus small r. Capital R minus small r. Okay, chaliye, great. Now what about this? There's one more thing, bacha, over here. It's called as area of this circular ring. Okay, also called as, sometime in the case we have track or pathway, whatever it is. Okay, along a park they put a circular track, right, where you run in the morning, go for a jog, right? So that area of a circular ring is given as the outer circle's area, which is nothing but pi r squared, minus inner circle's area, which is nothing but pi small r squared. Okay, so if you check this out, I can write this as pi times of r square minus r square, pi times of r square minus r square. Excellent, sir. Okay, I hope this is clear. Chaliye, now we're gonna move on. This is it, bacha. Okay, this is it. Achha, we have one more concept for the segments and the sector. Okay, so I'll tell you again over here. Let's see, give me some space over here. I want to teach you over here only. Sector is very, very important. Okay, what is sector, sir? In the same circle, if I draw two radii like this at an angle of theta, so this is concept number 1. Okay, concept number 2, and this is concept number 3, bacha, over here only. So concept number 3, please check this out. This is the sector. Okay, so area of sector is given as what, bacha? Is given as theta by the total angle of the circle. How much is that? 360 degrees times of what? The area of the circle. So pi r square. And in the case of circumference, what we have, sir? Circumference is given as, which is nothing but this length, the arc length, is given as, sir, same value, theta by 360 times of 2 pi r, Please check this out. For this part we have theta by 360 times of 2 pi r. For this part we have theta by 360 pi r square. This is for sector, sir. What about segment, sir? What about segment, bacha? Okay, have a look. For segment we have this part also involved. Means you'll have a chord in the sector, okay, and then this part you can see here is called as the segment, sir. Okay, so if you look at any chord per se in a circle, it divides the circle in two segments. One is called as minor segment, which is, let's say, call this as part 1, and part 2 as the major segment. Minor means the segment with the smaller area is minor segment, and segment with the larger area is called as major segment. How to find the area of this segment, sir? Very simple, bacha. Have a look. Find the area of the sector. Have a look. Find the area of the sector with the whatever angle they have given and subtract the area of the triangle. How do you find area of segment, sir? Fourth part. Area of segment. What is that? The triangle's area minus sector area. Ulta, just opposite. Sector minus triangle, right? Sector minus triangle, bacha. The sector area is bigger, right? Have a look. I just got it wrong. Sector area minus the triangle area will be given as area of segment. Don't worry, I have taken a question on this. I will explain you that in detail when I'm doing that question. Achha, one more thing. If you want to learn this concepts in detail, bacha, I have done this in the regular sessions. Go ahead, check it out. For now, just the revision of the formulas. Okay, chali. Have a look. All of this is done. Moving on to now VSA part. What is VSA part? So again, we have cube, cuboids, cylinder, cone. We see all of that. First, let's deal with cube and cuboid. What is cube, sir? We know this, bacha. What is cube, sir? All sides are equal. Cube has all edge are equal in length. Means we don't have length, breadth and height. We have simply A. Edge length as A. All equal. Have a look. It's a square face, base, 3D shape. Means all faces will be, bacha, what? Square only, na? You'll have a 6 square faces. Am I right? Yes, sir. Have a look. So if you have to write the total surface area, what are you going to do? 6 times of area of one square face. How many square faces are there? Please check it out. Front and back, sideways and top and bottom. So total of 6 faces are there. So area of one such face, which is a square, okay? How much is that, sir? A square, na? Side length is A into A, right? This is A, sir. Height is also A, and so is the width. So A and A and A, okay? In that case, what is the area, bacha? A into A, so A square. What is TSA going to be? 6 times of A square. What about LSA, sir? What is LSA, sir? Lateral surface area. Means only walls. Only walls. So how many we have? We have to leave out the top and the bottom part. So what will that become? Please tell me. 4 square surfaces. So 4A square. 4 square surfaces. So 4A square. What about volume, bacha? What about volume, sir? Volume would be given by simple A into A into A. How much is that? A cube. Which concept is this, bacha, to get this answer? Remember the volume concept. For any regular solid, we have to take the cross-section area times the height. What's the cross-section area, sir? The base area. What is the base area, sir? Side A square only. This is the base area, bacha. A into A is the base area. Base. It's a square. A into A. A square is the base area times the height. What is the height, sir? Again A. For any volume of regular solid, what we have? We have this formula. Remember this. Now write it down. Volume of a regular solid is given by area of cross section, or we can also write this as area of base times the height. Area of the base times the height. Always consistent. Okay, this is clear. So volume formula number 1 is clear. Now let's go for cuboid. Please check, bacha. Let's look at cuboid now. Okay, so for cuboid, what I have, the figure will be a little different. You'll have a longer length. Okay, have a look. This is a cuboid, right? Correct. This is a cuboid, sir. Okay, where this is called as length, this is called as the width or breadth, and this is the height, right? Length, breadth and height. Check the formula for the total surface area. How much is that, sir? Check this out. Front is L into H, na? Front face, length into the height. So I'll write what, bacha? L into H. How many times? How many times, sir? Front and back, same, na? This also is length, this also is height. So 2LH. Same way, this will become what, bacha? So this part, the base part, L into B, and top part also L into B. So I'll get what? 2lb. What about the side part? B into h, na? Side over both side. Again, twice of BH. Do one thing, to take 2 common. LH, BH and LB. Okay, LH, BH and LB is my TSA. What about LSA, sir? What is LSA, sir? LSA is lateral surface area. What is that going to be? Only the wall area. So remove the top and bottom. So I will remove the LB part. This is the top and bottom, right? I'll remove this part. I'm going to get this root of 2LH plus 2BH. How much is that? 2 times of LH plus BH. Okay. What is that next one, sir? Volume. How much is that? What did I say? Base area into height. Base area into height. Let's apply over here. What is base area, sir? Have a look. Isn't this the base area, sir? This is the base area or not? What is that base area going to be? Length into breadth? Rectangle, right? So length into breadth. What is the height, bacha? Simply h. So what I get? LBH. What I get? LBH. Have a look. LBH for cuboid. Q1 cuboid is clear, right? Very simple. Let's move on to the next figure. Have a look. To get these, sessions PDF, bacha, you have to join the WhatsApp channel. So please go ahead, join the WhatsApp channel to get all these things delivered to you in the WhatsApp channel. Don't worry about the privacy. We will not get your data. Only will be delivering the content of the sessions PDF in the channel and nothing else. Okay. And any other update which is coming regarding the videos or sessions, you will get to know in the WhatsApp channel only. Moving on to cylinder and cone. Let's look at the cylinder first. So figure number 3. How much is that? What is that called? Cylinder, sir. Cylinder, bacha, if you remember, what we do in cylinder? Have a look. So what we do is, we have a figure like this. Basically, we take a rectangular piece of paper and then we fold it to make a contact. Piece of paper like this, then we fold it like this to get a cylinder, hollow cylinder, of course. Cylinder is like this, where this is called as radius and this is called as the height. Okay, one more thing, it is a right circular cylinder. Right means because this angle is always 90 degree. The height and the radius makes always what angle, bacha? 90 degree, called as right circular cylinder. Is it clear? Okay. So we have a cylinder like this. Now we have again some formulas. What is that? Tell me the volume now first. Volume is given by, bacha, what did I say? Base area into height. Base area is circle. So pi r square. What is height, sir? Simply h. Is this the answer, sir? Yes. Okay. What about we'll do something called as CSA here, bacha. What does CSA means? Curved surface area. Curved surface area. Is this different than the LSA, sir? No, they're the same thing. Only the wall area. CSA also means what, bacha? Also means the wall. Okay. So curved surface area, you can also call this as lateral surface area, but for the curved figures, no, we simply call it as curved surface area. Okay, or simply understand this, the concept means what? Wall area. Okay, the curved part. So if you check this out, same concept of what? Of the rectangle. If you want to use, you're gonna get the length as 2 pi r and breadth as h. That's why the answer is 2 pi rh. Okay, correct. Now, if this is, let's say this is a piece of rectangle, bacha. Isn't this part making the circular part? This is being folded into circle, right? The length is folded into circle. Correct. Now this length, you fold it like this to make a circle. Circle's perimeter is how much? Is 2 pi r, sir. That's why 2 pi r. What about this, bacha? What is this? Height only, no? This height is same. That's why 2 pi r h, L into B. Getting it? Getting it? Yes, sir. What about, sir? TSA. Total surface area. Same thing, na, bacha. CSA plus the top and the bottom area. Okay. What is CSA? 2 pi RH. Top is pi r square. Bottom is also circle, pi r square. You can write this as 2 pi r square. Take 2 pi r common, please. I'm getting h plus r. 2 pi r times of h plus r. I hope this is clear. Please have a look. Figure number 3 is clear. Moving on to figure 4, which has a relation with the figure number 3, which is cylinder. What is figure 4, sir? Cone. Cone is what, bacha? Cone is a solid, figure. It's a solid which comes from the cylinder only. Means if I somehow take a section in the cone, a cylinder like this, join these 2 points and remove this solid from here. Means drill and remove the solid like this. That's called cone, sir. What type of cone? Again, same thing, bacha. Right circular cone. right circular cone, है ना? This is the cone बच्चा. Again, what will this look like? Have a look. It'll be the figure. Okay, the base will be again circular. This will be the radius. This is the height. Okay, and this is called as slant height. What is L called as, sir? L is called as slant height. है ना? This is clear, right? L is called as slant height. चलिए, that's 90 degree. Great. So we can write this बच्चा. L equals to what बच्चा? L equals to root of r square plus h square from the Pythagoras theorem. Correct? No confusion whatsoever over here. Now, once this is known, we have to find the volume. So there is a relation बच्चा. I said ना, volume of cone, sir. What is it? Volume of a cone is 1/3 of the volume of the cylinder of the same height and the same radius. I'll repeat, volume of a cone is 1/3 of the volume of a cylinder with the same height and the same radius. 1/3 pi r square h. 1/3 pi r square h. You don't have the derivation for this. That's why I'm writing the formulas similarly. Just giving you the relations, how it is. Okay, chaliye. So now we have volume of cone. Let's look at CSA. What is CSA, sir? Curved surface area, the wall area. Check this out, this conical part. Okay, so it's gonna given by pi rl, bacha. It's gonna given by pi rl. Pi times the radius of the cone times the slant height of the cone. Okay. What about the next one, bacha? It's called as TSA. I think this is very simple, right? The CSA pi rl plus the base circular area pi r square. Take pi r common, please. What I'm getting, sir? L plus r. L plus r. I hope this formula is also very, very clear to all of you. So we have completed 4 figures so far. I hope you have enjoyed learning these figures, understanding, and your formulas with me, right? So let's move on to the last 2, which is sphere and hemisphere. Then we'll quickly solve the questions on them, right? So we are into the revision, right? So we'll just quickly revise everything and then solve problems on it to be prepared for the mocks which is coming up for us. Chaliye. So sphere, sir. What is a sphere, bacha? Sphere is basically this, no? Doesn't look like a sphere, sir. I'll change it, bacha. Don't worry. I'll change it. I'll make it look like a sphere. That's my job. Hai the best I can do. Now it looks like a sphere, right? Somewhat close. Can you accept it? Yes. So this part is called, bacha, the radius, and that's the only dimension we have to know to find any value for the sphere. Okay, chaliye. First thing is volume, sir. 4/3 pi r cube. Again, you don't have the derivation. Please note down the formulas. That's more than enough for you. Okay. Again, what, bacha? You have TSA. When you have CSA in sphere, you have only one sphere. In a sphere, you have only one surface. Take a ball. Okay, take a tennis ball. How much surface you have? Only one surface, no? So you'll have only TSA in this and given as 4 pi r square. Excuse me. Now, hemisphere. It's a shape of a ball, okay, or yeah, figures like this. Okay, again, if you see here, this also has only one dimension. This is called as the radius. Okay, the radius again. So if you have to write the volume, I know all of you can tell me. So it'll be half of this hemisphere, right? Half of the sphere. So whatever is this, half of that, 4/3 will become what, bacha? Simply 2/3, because it's half pi r cube. What about the will you have only CSA or will you have only TSA in this case? No, sir, you'll have CSA also. Curved surface area, this part, bacha, this is called as CSA. And what is that going to be? Half of the spheres, so 2 pi r square. And what about this part? This is circle, sir, so pi r square. So when I'm writing the TSA, I'll write 2 pi r square, which is for the CSA, and plus pi r square, which makes our total to 3 pi r square. 3 pi r square. I hope this is clear. So we have revised so far circles, rings, sector, segment, cube, cuboid, cylinder, cone, sphere, and hemisphere. Is it clear or not? Of course it is. Please have a look. Okay, chaliye. Now I have a very important announcement to make for all of you, for all the 10th graders, bacha. So we organize every year program called as DSAT program, Diksha Scholastic Aptitude Test. Okay, so what we do in this program is we enable with the tools to our students in grade 10 to help them make a right career choice for their academic years, means for 11th and 12th, what they should do with the career, what choices they should make. Okay, so we don't make the decision for themselves, but we help them, we make them visualize these things from their own and have this right perspective to make a clear choice what they have to for coming up after 10th grade. Okay, what they should decide after 10th grade. Okay, so let's say you're somebody who's not sure with it, whether I should go with science in maths or without maths or arts or commerce. What students do most of the time, they choose the subjects because they don't like the first one. So I don't like commerce, I'll choose science. I don't like science, I'll choose arts. Don't make this decision. This is a very unhealthy way of making any decision. Okay, choose something that you like, okay, or that you have apt for. That's very important. Okay, so one more thing, if you are somebody who's very clear, they want to do science only, sir, I want to do engineering, very good bacha, then this program will help you understand your competency level for JEE, NEET and KSET. Means where do you stand in the preparation, okay, and how can you get better, what are your options, what is the right choice right now. All of this will be cleared once you write this program. So what is this? Again, I'll repeat, DSET program, Diksha Scholastic Aptitude Test. Okay, it's conducted over the weekends on Sunday for 3 hours on the campuses, offline campuses of Diksha. You have to visit the campus. How can I do all of that? By enrolling in the program. How you do that? The link for this will be given in the description. Go ahead, check the link out, enroll over here. Once you enroll, book a slot on Sunday for yourself by getting in touch with our team, and then visit our campus on Sunday for your DSAT program. Now, how exactly this program will help you, I'll tell you that for sure at the end of the session. Right now, let me get back to solving the questions for all of you. Chaliye. A chord of a circle of radius 14 cm subtends an angle of 60 degree at the center. Okay, chord of a circle at radius 14 cm. Please have a look. So we have a circle. There's a chord. Okay, circle's radius is given, bacha. So this is going to be, sir, 14 and 14. That's 14 and 14. Okay, and they've given the angle as 60 degree at the center. Okay, find the area of the corresponding minor segment. Means they're asking this value. I told you, I've taken a question on that to explain you the segment part, because it's very important. People make mistake in this. That's why I've taken this particular question again. Okay, let's call this to be AOB, sector AOB or triangle AOB. Sector AOB is a full figure. AOB triangle is the triangle shown to you as it is. So this is 14 means isosceles triangle. It means this two has to be same angle, let's say theta and theta. Now check this out. Sum of all angle of a triangle is how much? 180 degree. This is 60, this is 60, this is 60. Correct, now? Because they're all equal to each other. It means AOB is equilateral. Yes or no? Yes, sir. Chaliye, great. Now we have to find what, bacha? We have to find the area of the segment. So let's find the area of sector first. Area of sector. Which sector, bacha? AOB only, right? AOB. How much is that going to be? The angle 60 degree divided by 360 times of pi r square. Have a look. How much is this? It cancels like this. I have 1 by 6. What is pi value? 3.14. Okay, times of r square, so 14 square. I'll keep it like this only. No problem. Okay, chaliye. If you want, you can do the calculation over here. Okay, do the calculation. Now after doing this, area sector is completed, right? Now we are looking for what? Area of triangle. Area of triangle AOB. What I'm getting, bacha? Please check. Equilateral triangle. It means the formula, if you remember, root 3 by 4 a square. What is that? Root 3 is 1.73 by 4. What is a, sir? A is going to be 14 square, right? How come 14, sir? Equilateral triangle, right? So side, all will be equal, na? So 14 square only. We're looking for area of segment, right? Area of segment. Okay. Subtract these two values. I have 1 by 6. 14 square times 3.14 minus I have 14 square by 4 times of 1.73. I have something common, please check. Have a look over here. I have over here as I can take 1 by 2, okay, and 14 square common. I'm getting over here as 3.14 by 3 minus 1.73 by 2. है ना? I've taken 2 also common and 14 square also common. Okay. Now if I do that, 14 square is what बच्चा 196 by 2. So 98. Correct ना? Yeah. 14 square is 196 divided by 2 is 98. Okay. Divide this 3.14 by 3. How much is that? 1 point. I cannot do this, so 0 I'll take. And 14. So 3 4s are 12. I'm gonna get 3 4s are 12. Then I have 2. 3 6 are 18, right? 3 6 are 18, and it'll go on like that. Okay. So minus. Check this out. I'm getting bacha over here. 0.28 is 16. Then I have 1. So I'm gonna get 12, 13 again. So 2 6 are 12, and I have again 1. So 5. Please check this out. What I'm getting, bacha? Subtract it over here. So 98 times of 6 minus 5 is 1. 14 minus 6 is 8. And I have, what is this? 14 minus 6 is 8, correct? 9 minus, or 10 minus, yeah, 9 minus 8 will be 1, bacha. So 0.811, correct, no? 14 if I make, I have to make this as 10 first. So 10 will become, again carry 1, it will become 14. So 9 minus 8 will be 1 only, no? Multiply this, what I'm getting? Multiplication over here. 98 times of 0.181, right? 1 second. 181, right? Have a look. 0.181. Multiply over here, bacha. 181 times 98. What I'm getting? 8 ones are 8. So 4 6 is carry. 8 plus 6 will be 14, right? Yeah. So I have 8 ones are 8. 8 is 64. So 4 is like that. 6 is carry. 8 plus 6 is 14. Now we do with 9. So we have 9 over here. 9 8 is 72. We have 2. Then 7 is carry. 9 plus 7 is 16. Have a look. So 8 3 7 7 1. Okay. What I'm getting 3 decimal places, right? So I can write it over here. 17738 like this. What I'm getting, bacha? 17 point. If you check this out, something coming as 8, right? So what is this value? Is going to be again approximate value. Okay, approximate value. This is the area of minor segment, na sir. Okay. Okay, please have a look. 17.8 something. 738 is there, no? 17.4, 74 it should come, but I'm taking it as 17.8. Have a look. Okay, exactly his answer is coming as 17.74, bacha. Okay, chali. Have a look. This is clear, right? Question number 1 is over. We have to find the area of the minor segment like this. So we have to find the area of sector first. Subtract the area of triangle from there. The triangle was equilateral, so we use the formula root 3 by 4 a square. Sector we use the same formula, theta by 360 pi r square. Okay, let's have a look. Okay, you can find this value over here. Please find this value over here. This will carry marks. Okay, so find this value here. Whatever you're getting, put it over here, and you can get this value over here also, and then also subtract it. Your choice. Okay, subtract it. I did it this way because I find this easier. Chali. Question number 2. A vessel is in the form of a hollow hemisphere. Okay, means a bowl basically. Hemisphere means what? A bowl, right? Hollow hemisphere mounted by a hollow cylinder. Cylinder is hollow. Same thing, paper is turned into a cylinder. The diameter of the hemisphere is 14 and the total height of the vessel is 13. Find the area of inner surface. Okay. Inner surface area of vessel. For the full vessel, right? It will be basically, bacha, check out this. So CSA of inner, right? CSA of cylinder, right? Plus CSA of hemisphere. Correct, na? Cylinder CSA times hemisphere CSA. Check this out. What I have? 2 pi. What is the R value, sir? Diameter is given, right? Diameter is given as 14, means 7. The radius 2 pi r. What is the h value for the cylinder, sir? 13 minus 7, right? Total is 13. So what is the height? Only 6. Plus CSA of the hemisphere. So 2 pi. What is r, sir? Again same value, 7 square. 2 pi r square. This part is going to be what, bacha? 2 pi r square. Have a look. So I can take something common. Please have a look. I can take 2 pi. 7 common. What I'm getting here? 6 plus 7. है ना? 2 pi 7 common, 2 pi 7 over here, 6 plus 7, so 13. So I'm getting 2 times of 22 by 7, okay, times of 7 into 13. Have a look, 7 goes out. What I'm getting, bacha? 2 times of 22 times of 13. How much is this? 22 times of 26, right? है ना? Correct, right? 13 into 2, 26. 26 times 2 is 52. So it'll be 2, 5 is carry. 26 times 2 is again 52 plus 5, 57. So 572 is the area, right? So centimeter square. This is my answer. Not sure, do the multiplication. 26 times 2, 52. So carry, write 2 here. Carry is 5. 26 times 2, 52 again, plus 5, 57. So 572 centimeter square is my answer. I hope this is clear. Please have a look. Okay, so question number 2 is done. Moving on to question number 3, which is a case study, bacha. Let's solve a case study. I said case study comes from this unit. Okay, very important. 4-mark question is coming. Let's solve it. So what is the question? Says tamper-proof tetra-packed milk guarantees both freshness and security. Okay, this is a PYQ, sir. First of all, this is a PYQ. Have a look. Okay. This milk ensures uncompromised quality, preserving the nutritional values within and making it a reliable choice for health conscious individuals. 500 ml milk is packed in a cuboidal container of a dimension. So let's see whether this is useful or not, but this is very, very useful. This is a dimension, bacha. Okay, like this. Container 15 centimeter times 8. So length is 15. Breadth is 8 and height is 5 centimeter. Okay, these milk packets are then packed in cuboidal cartons, okay, to ship, right? Dimensions of this 30, 32 and 15. Find the volume of the cuboidal cartons. So part 1 we can do over here only. Cartons volume. So volume of carton will be what, bacha? L into B into H. So 30 into 32 into 15, sir. Check this out. 3 to 6, 3 to 9, right? 960 times of 15. So 0 here, 0, 15, 6 are 90, right? So 0 here, 9 is carry. I've written this first 0 like this, and 15 times of 6 is what, bacha? 90. So 0 here, 9 is carry. 59 is 135 plus 9. 144. Volume, right? So centimeter cube. Centimeter cube, bacha. Centimeter cube. 2A. Find the total surface area of the milk packet. Okay, milk packet. This is the milk packet, right? Total surface area they're asking, no? Total surface area. Okay, let's do it over here. So part 2, is it A? Yeah, 2A. So TSA of what, bacha? Milk pack. है ना? Okay. What do we do for this? 2 times of LB, BH and LH. Okay. So 2 times of, please check this out. 1 second. Have a look. So L into B, 15 into 8. 15 into 8 is how much, sir? 120. BH, 8 into 5, so 40. LH, check this out. 15 into 5, 75. LH is 75. Add them. What I'm getting, 2 times of 160 plus 75. So it's going to come as 5. Okay. What's it? Yeah, correct. 235. What is the answer? 470 is the area, centimeter square. Correct, huh? Yeah. Correct, sir. 235 times of 2 is 470 centimeter square. Correct only. So question number 2A is done. Let's move on to 2B. 2B. What does this 2B says? Have a look. How many milk packets can be filled in the carton? Okay. So number of milk packets. Number of milk packs. Okay. It will be total volume of the carton. So volume of carton by volume of one milk pack. है ना? Volume of cotton by volume of one milk pack. How much is that? Please check this out. So we have a volume of carton like this. Have a look. 30, 32, 15. We'll write that together, okay? We don't multiply. 30, 32 and 15. This is for the carton. Please have a look. Carton. 32, 30, 32 and 15. For the this one, 15, 8 and 5. 15, 8 and 5. 15, 15 gone. 8 4s are 32 and 5 6s are 30. What is the answer, bacha? 6 into 4, how much is the answer, sir? 32 units, right? 32 packs. Number of milk packet will be 32 in one carton. This is the answer. Yes or no? Please have a look. Yes, so this is the second answer. Okay. First is over here. You can see this. 3 part. How much milk can the cup? Cup is shown in the figure. No, this is 5 as the radius and diameter. Sorry, and the height is given as 7. Bacha. They are asking us the volume of that. So I'll show you over here. Please have a look. Okay. So third part, the radius is given as 5 centimeters and the height is 7 centimeters. I'll show you again. Radius is 5 centimeter, height is 7 centimeters, right? Okay. So what we can do, sir? Volume they are asking, no? How much milk can the cup hold? So volume they are asking, sir. Volume of this cylindrical part. Volume of cup we can write, bacha. Okay. How much is that? Please check this. So pi r square times of h. How much is that? 22 by 7. R is what, sir? 25. H is what, sir? H is, sir, 7 only, no? Correct, no? So what I'm getting? 2 times 22 times of 625. Hai na? Okay. This is, bacha, what? This is a centimeter cube, right? Okay. Check this out. So I can write this as, multiply this over here. 625 times of 22. I'm getting 10, 5, 12, 0, 5, 2, 1, 0, 5, 7, 7, 1. Okay, 7, 3, right? Yeah, 13750. 13750 centimeter cube. Okay, centimeter cube. Okay. Now 1 liter has, so 1000 ml, right? 1000 ml. And yeah, do we need the answer in centimeter or meter cube? They've not specified, right? We don't. They have not asked like this. Okay. So we can keep the answer in centimeter cube only. Will it be good? I think it looks okay. Have a look. Pi r square h. Okay. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. No. That's why I thought it's coming very big, bacha. R square I've already taken here, sir. My mistake, bacha. My mistake, sir. Big mistake, sir. I've taken 25 square, sir. Because I thought this should not be coming this big, okay? So that's why this mistake was. This 25 itself is r square. I've taken 25 square again. Check this out. 25 is what? R is what, bacha? R is 5 now, sir. So 25 itself is r square. Forgive me for that mistake, okay? So r square will come as 5 square, so 25, no? This is 25, sir. Now if you multiply this, what are you going to get? 550. 25 times 2 will be what, bacha? 50, so carry is 5. Again 50, so plus 5 is 550 centimeters cube. Have a look. This is your answer. Now it makes sense. I was thinking, how can this come like that big? Okay. So the mistake was, I've taken 25 square. That cannot be taken. The radius is not given as 25. It's given as 5. So 5 square is what, bacha? 25. I've already taken the square. So answer is 25 over here. And total answer is coming as 550 centimeter cube. Have a look. We have done our PYQ in the case study also. And this completes the question. And with this, as I said, I'll explain you the structure of the program, DSET program, which will help you understand how it exactly helps. So what we do in this, no? So we have a 3-hour session over the Sunday on the offline campus of Diksha. Okay, that is clear. How to enroll, link is given. Go ahead, check the link out, fill the form and get in touch with the team. Once the team is connected with you, they can help you book a slot on Sunday. That is clear. Now, what is in the program? So first hour of this program will be, bacha, a lecture. Means we'll teach you something. A concept will be taught to you by a senior most faculty of our team. Once the concept is taught to you, you can ask your doubts also for the last 15 minutes. So 1 hour will be over. First you learn something, then you ask your doubts. 1 hour is over. Second hour, test based upon, you have to write a test based upon what you have learned. So second hour is also over. Third hour, we'll evaluate your test paper. Okay, we will evaluate your test paper, and then you have to sit back with us, our team of counselors and our faculty members. Okay, with you and with your parents, whatever is your choice. You can sit with our team, and then you get to know, you get to ask all the questions, whatever you have in your doubt as in a mind. So what you can do, write all your doubts, all your concerns in one page and bring that page to the campus and ask all those out. Also, we'll also tell you what was your approach to solving any problem, how you should have done better. If you've done very good job, we'll let you know that you have done a really good job solving the paper. Okay, so we'll get to know very detailed analysis of your paper and what you should be what should be the right approach for solving any particular paper for any competitive examination. Okay, so I hope this is clear to you. Once that part is clear, if you wish to join us for the preparation of your any chosen topic, okay, after this clarification from our team and with you, okay, this discussion will give you a conclusion. If you are willing to make a decision and if you're willing to join our team, for your preparation of 11th and 12th, then you get a very good scholarship based upon the test that you've written, okay, in the second hour, and you can get that on the admissions bacha. Okay, I hope this is clear. So with this one, I'm very sure that once you're leaving the campus, you'll be very satisfied with the program and with the decision that you've made, because you have got the clarity about it from our very experienced team that has been helping so many students from so many years. Okay, so I hope this is clear for you. Once this is so, with this bacha, please take sure, I'm telling you, make sure that you have this program right now, because once the exam starts, you'll be very busy. You'll have things to decide very soon. Right now you have the time. Make sure that you have the right decision and go this Sunday and plan your DSET program at the offline campus of Diksha. Okay, with this, I'm gonna conclude the session today. So this is going to be bacha, the session for the revision for mensuration. I hope you enjoyed the session. We learned all the formulas. We saw how the formulas are coming, what are the figures look like, and solve questions on them at the same time. So with this informed session, I hope you have the clarity how to approach a chapter from mensuration. Okay, any doubt you have, let us know in the comment section. We'll get back to you as soon as possible. For now, this is it. I'll see you in the next session. Till then, take care. Bye bye.